Sino yun? Alikan ka.
OMG.
Sigurong pick. Saka di ko.
Paano pa? Hindi, nagkano ko. Come. Ada kira
100k.
Dito matatas.
4, 3, 2, 1, Go west lang, go west. Just west. Right first.
Dropping mana.
Nandito na lahat.
Check na rin. Type curse mo wala. Hypers.
Okay.
Ready.
So,
Ano yung root bomb nito?
Gina ba to?
Lahat.
Wait lang. Sino bang wala?
Text no. Ayun na si Text.
GG call daw, if ever.
Gusto na lang natin 8 minutes.
Kung gusto mag-reset.
Infinity.
Hindi nila sinabi mo din. Ano na lang.
Ay,
Hindi maganda daw yung practice rin yung pag-kite natin. Kasi kite yung pinapractice natin.
Sige.
After maklap, kite ka.
Come west first. Come west. Ready na. Come north, please, no. Come north. Maluwag. Come north.
Hindi ba inito eh.
Come south, please. Wait. Ready? Shallow eh. Shallow on the bedrock in 5, 4, 3. The bedrock now. Careful ah. They're looking. Go east. Go east. Don't hold that. East. Tell me when ready. Ready, south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south. Kite now, kite south. Kite southeast, go sideways. Go east. Kite now. Left, kite. East. South. Tell me when ready. Ready, side up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, side up. Then go west. West. Go west. Step. South shallow. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Go west.
They're pulling down.
dropping mana.
You have mana guys, don't reset on the mana. Wala tong helmet tayo. Nice
Okay.
block.
Ready. Easy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's now. It's big. Go west. Careful. They might kite. Still to cool down.
Roller sila. Roller ba yun? Pwede yung jacket.
Red breaker.
Go north side. On our side. Careful. Wait.
Kami dito.
Hang up. 2, 1. East now. Nice one. Go west. Go west. Right west. Just go west now. Down the 2. Ano nga yung cool down? Okay, yung part. Ready on the bedrock. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow na. No fight now. Straight west.
Kitangin.
Having guys. Go west.
Engage.
It's okay. Engage.
Tulong.
Go west.
Des. Okay.
Tell them ready. Ready,
Ready
ready.
pa yun. Ready.
Ready, wait.
Yup, ready.
Inch up
Ano,
now.
man?
Ready, on the bed rock in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
JJ.
Okay. Let's come west now.
Oh, man.
Ano yung red? They're still up right.
Sige, ready pa tayo.
Ready, look at the east side, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. And go west. Right, west.
Drop mana if meron. Ito.
Spike ready.
Go north side. Ready. East over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East over the wall. Go down. Careful, go west, down the top. Go west. Careful front, careful. Tanong ready.
Dropping mana.
Ready.
Push up now. Push up. Hold them back. Hold them. Ready, east. Come, walk. Ready, east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now.
Stop.
Stop kami.
Careful, side west now.
Mid-kill.
Careful. Go west.
May engage pa sila.
West. Straight down, go west, side.
Dropping mana, Ben.
Ano win? Ready.
Ready. Spike.
Inch up now. Go south. Ready. East. Ano now? Shallow. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Go west. Straight.
Ping up.
Go west.
Speed.
Tell them ready again. Ready. East over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Nice one. Now push now. Hold them. Tell them ready.
Itong bedrock ko. Hindi behind us, ha?
Okay, stop.
Ready. Spike.
Ready.
Ready. Spike.
Ready on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh my God. Bro, it's fight now. They have engaged. Fight now. West. Level 2.
Dropping mana, Ben.
Tell me when pull down.
Ready.
Engage na yun. Nag-engage na.
Come walk.
Andito sa akin.
Ready, east.
JJ.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the GM. Nice. Go west first. Right west. Careful. They have engaged.
Cool down na. Okay.
Careful. They're engaging. Ano yung cool down?
Looking army. DJ choke.
Engaging. Nice. Stop. Go southeast. Up now. Hold them up. Ready, shallow on the carving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Go west now. Let's go north. First. Come north.
Dropping mana.
Let's go north. Ready. Looking.
Punch behind, ha? Punch.
Kite west. Tell them ready.
Ready.
East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Nice one.
Kung ano, deep sila kapag bakit nila.
GG daw.
Go west side.
30 seconds na lang pa ako.
Wala na, tala na daw.